Mabuhay, this is Alexi Fernandez from Davao City. It's almost 9 o'clock in the evening. But I'm still here in the office, kay medyo nag-overtime. But few minutes from now, I'll be go home. Mupauli na ko, medyo gutom na pod. But before I forgot, I would like to greet sa isa nako ka friend na taga Panabo, nag-birthday siya karon. Shout out to Dr. Shirley. Happy birthday to you, Doc. May God bless you always. My wish for you is to enjoy life through traveling in some other places, some other countries. Mag-travel ka na, mag-start ka sa Asia. Then next to Asia is Latin America, Europe, North America, and some places in Africa. Mag-travel ka na para enjoy life. God bless you always, Doc She.